When it comes to roofing, it's important that homeowners know about their warranties should something ever go wrong. There are two types of warranties, the material and the labor. The labor warranty is only as good as the roofer you hire, so making sure you have a reputable roofer is very important. We recommend doing your research and checking out customer testimonials online. Now, onto the material warranty, which typically ranges in length from 10 to 30 years. These warranties are issued by the manufacturer and cover only defects or failure of the roofing materials due to manufacturing defects or premature aging. Each product has a different warranty length, and you can check with the individual manufacturers to see the years they offer. It's important to work with a reputable roofing company that knows and trusts the products and the manufacturers, so you're getting the best quality materials and pricing.
For more information about their roof services, go to chaseroofing.com or visit our website at designingspaces.tv.